Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Sapna. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this makeup look. It's a very glamorous halo eye makeup look with a rusty brown lip and a nice highlighted face. So let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyes, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer for same, and then just setting it with a compact. I think I used the MAC NC25. Now using my BH Cosmetics 180 Professional Palette, I'm going to take this soft peachy brown kind of a color as my transition shade, and then after that I'll take this medium brown and just go ahead and intensify the crease. Just build the intensity as you desire. Now I'm going to mix the orange and this medium brown together. I'm going to intensify my crease a little more. I think the lighting is a little bright and that's why it's not catching the true color. So I'll be careful next time about the lighting. I'm just trying to adjust to the new ring light that I got. Now I've used a Sephora Jumbo Pencil in the color green, and I'm going to create a base, a cream base on my outer as well as inner corner. This will enable me to get a nice intensity of the green eyeshadow, which I'm going to pop later. So before this pencil sets, I'm going to blend it with my finger. This sets like immediately in a second. So make sure that you first blend it and then apply it on the other end. Doing the same on the other end and blending it with the brush this time. And also trying to blend it with the crease color. Now taking this matte green eyeshadow from the BH Cosmetics palette, I'm going to dab the green eyeshadow all over the green base which I created, and just make sure that you blend everything nicely. Now mixing these two browns, I am going to once again connect both the ends of the green eyeshadow with the crease color so that it looks more blended. Now taking a black matte eyeshadow and a small flat lid brush, I'm going to intensify the corners. It's just for the sake of making my inner corner and the outer corner a little more intense, but make sure that some green is showing or peeping out of the black, so don't cover the entire green with the black eyeshadow. Repeating the same process on the other end. Now I'm taking the BH Cosmetic World Famous Neutrals palette. Benefits World Famous Neutral palette, and taking this cream eyeshadow. I'm again going to create a base right at the center of my lid, and then I'm going to pop a golden, champagne golden color from the same World Famous Neutral palette from Benefit Cosmetics, and going to apply it on the cream. Now taking my Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy glitter, I'm going to apply glitter just on the center of the lid where I applied the gold shade, and the same golden shade goes as my highlighter shade for my inner corner and my brow bones. Curling my eyelashes, I've lately discovered that it's better to curl eyelashes before applying my eyeliner, because otherwise after the eyeliner, if you curl your lashes, it just sort of distracts and smudges the eyeliner. So after doing my eyeliner, I'm just going to smoke out my lower lash line using the same green, and then working with my same matte black eyeshadow, but working it very close to the lash line so that some green still pops out, and then just blending the two colors together. Tightlining my waterlines using the Faces All-Time Pro Kohl Pencil, which is one of my favorite kohl pencils. And then I popped on my House of Lashes lashes. And now for the rest of my face, I'm going to first set my face using the PAC Makeup Fix. And then covering my dark circles using the Ellie Girl Pro Conceal in orange. So today my dark circles are very prominent because this was at the time of family wedding when it was a very hectic time, and my dark circles just become very prominent. Now taking my Lancome Ultra Tint Idol Foundation in number 3, I'm going to buff the foundation into my skin using my damp beauty sponge, and then taking the Urban Decay Naked palette. It's a contour and highlight palette which has cream as well as powder palettes. It's a 2-in-1 stack. So I'm first applying a yellow cream concealer under my eyes, around my mouth, center of my forehead, and along the bridge of my nose, just the common areas where I normally conceal and highlight. And then going again with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is the shade Sans Sable. I just want a more highlighted, brightened up under eye, because as I told you, my eyes are looking very tired. So just going once again with a coat of concealer and then setting it up with my MAC and Studio Fix NC25. So I basically set my entire face with the Studio Fix NC25, and for contour I'm going to take the brown shade, in fact mix the two brown shades from the Urban Decay Naked palette, and taking my Kabuki brush from Kiko Milano, I'm going to do my contour, and for my nose I've used a small blending brush to do my nose contouring using the same brown from the Urban Decay palette. Now this is a beautiful peachy blush from My Glam. It's a very beautiful palette with a contour, blush and a highlighter shade. And now it's time for highlighter. I use the MAC Oh Darling highlighter, and oh my god, this is amazeballs. I just love how this highlighter turned out. It's looking so beautiful. Look at the way it's reflecting in this light. So just applying the highlighter on my cheekbones, center of my nose, Cupid's bow and chin. And now it's time to define my brow. I'm using the brow pencil from Bodygraph. You guys see how much of difference eyebrows make when you define them and groom them, and it's really easy to work with this pencil. And I don't like to do a very stark eyebrow, so I'm just going very natural but giving it a well-defined shape and filling in the gaps. Now taking this beautiful rusty brown color from PAC Retro Matte Gloss in number 08, I am doing my lips and then setting my makeup once again with the PAC Makeup Fix Plus, and just very gently pushing everything into my skin, and also so that the excess is absorbed by this damn beauty sponge. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, then please show this video a big thumbs up, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell icon so that you're notified of all such videos. I love you guys. Take care. See you soon. Bye bye.